Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the language on Grailed. Here are the detailed steps to change the language on Grailed. The first thing you need to do is to launch your web browser and navigate to Grailed at www.grailed.com. If you're not already logged in, locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and enter your email and password if prompted, or use Google/Apple login if that's how you signed up. Once you log in, you will be directed to the home page or your account dashboard, which we have in here. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. It may be your username or your profile picture. If you have uploaded one, this is here. Now, click on the profile icon to open the drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, just go ahead and click on My Account, and it's going to open you up to the My Account page. Now, on this profile settings window, you're definitely going to find your username, you find your email, and you find location, and of course, you have your bio and your privacy. Now, I'd like you to know that in Grailed, there is no direct command that allows you to change the language. But if you change to location by heading over to location, the location category here, and click on the drop down menu to select your location, I'd like you to know that your Grailed platform will be reset, or your Grailed homepage or platform entirely will be reset to the language in the location that you changed it to. So let's say you change the United States, all the languages will be in United States English, or United Kingdom English, or Europe, or Asia, or Australia, or you can just go ahead and click on other to select other options in there. So other here, if it is not any of these, but if you select any of the states or any of these countries or any of these locations, you will see that your Grailed account will be reset using the language for that particular country. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.